its size.
Avec 16 avions déjà en exploitation, la 380 d'Airbus est de plus en plus familier sur les principaux aéroports du monde, comme tout près de nous à Roissy-Charles de Gaulle, où la compagnie Singapore Airlines exploite depuis 2 semaines maintenant une ligne régulière qui l'amène tôt le matin et qui repart vers Singapour en début d'après-midi.
The A380 is powered by 4 engines, Engine Alliance engines, or Rolls-Royce engines, each developing 68,000 pounds of thrust. The empty weight is 600,000 pounds. It can be loaded commercially up to 1,200,000 pounds, although on demonstration today it is well below that weight. It can carry 525 passengers in a 3-class configuration over 8,000 nautical miles. 15 of these machines have been already delivered out of 206 orders. It's in service with Qantas and with Emirates, and also with Singapore Airlines, who operate a daily service between Paris Charles de Gaulle and Singapore.
Les dimensions de cette machine, eh bien, la voilure a une envergure de 80 mètres, la longueur de totale du fuselage est de 73 mètres. Quant à l'extrémité de la dérive, quand il s'agit de remplacer la petite lampe, le petit lumignon qui se trouve en sommet de la dérive, sachez qu'il est à 24 mètres de haut, soit l'équivalent d'un mini-immeuble de 8 étages.
The wingspan of this aircraft is 80 meters, the fuselage length 73 meters, the height of the tail fin 24 meters above the ground, and if you want an image of what that represents, it's an equivalent to an 8-story building. Despite this enormous size, the aircraft is designed to fit into the facilities of the large international airports, and it's already visited 60 of the international airports around the world. It's greener, cleaner and quieter, and sets new standards in both comfort and fuel consumption. Its fuel consumption of less than 3 litres per passenger per 100 kilometres represents a world premiere in aircraft of this segment. This low fuel consumption also reduces the CO2 emissions, which is one of Airbus's key principles in designing new aircraft. The maximum certified capacity of the aircraft, 837 passengers. A majestic, slow-speed flyby in the hands of Jacques Rosé and Guy Magrin. The A380 uses the same fly-by-wire control systems as the other members of the Airbus family, from the small 318 right through to this, the largest member of Airbus's fleet, the A380.
retour au sol pour cet avion, ce vaste avion, ce paquebot du ciel. Ceux qui ont volé en 380 en retiennent quelque chose. Non seulement l'avion est gros, ça oui, certes, il est vaste, il est volumineux, mais en plus quand on est à l'intérieur, et cela tient probablement autant à ses dimensions, à l'inertie que cela lui